shy boy with a secret fear, his own shadows. Join him on a heartwarming journey in Shy Sammy and the Friendly Shadows. When a wise old owl named Oliver shares the magic of embracing shadows, Sammy discovers a world of joy and play. This delightful tale teaches us that sometimes what seems scary can be a friend of disguise. A story of friendship, courage, and the beauty found in unexpected places. Embrace the shadows with Sammy and uncover the enchanting bond that can light up even the darkest corners. A timeless lesson for readers of all ages. Shy Sammy and the Friendly Shadow. In a little town, there lived a shy boy named Sammy. Sammy loved playing outside, but he had a secret. He was scared of his own shadow. One bright morning, Sammy ventured to the park. His shadow tagged along, stretching and shrinking with every step. Sammy couldn't shake off the uneasy feeling. Sammy tried to outrun his shadow, but it faithfully followed. Confused and scared, Sammy decided to sit on a bench, hoping his shadow would go away. Just then, a wise old owl named Oliver perched by.
"Why the long-faced young one?"
Sammy explained his fear of the ever-present shadow.
Oh, shadows are like silent friends. They always with you and never leaving your side. Embrace them and you see the magic.
Feeling curious, Sammy tentatively waved at his shadow. To his surprise, the shadow mimicked his wave, creating a playful dance on the ground. Sammy and his shadow started playing together. They formed animals, they danced, and even played shadow puppets. Sammy's fear began to fade away. As the sun started to set, Sammy noticed his shadow growing longer. Instead of feeling scared, Sammy and his shadow created beautiful shapes on the pavement. Sammy realized that his shadow was like a loyal companion, always there to share in the fun. He smiled, grateful for the newfound friendship. Sometimes, the things that seem scary can turn out to be a friend of disguise. Embrace the shadows, and you may discover a world of joy and play. Shy Sammy and the Friendly Shadow.